let's try and print n odd numbers. So in the previous program we have been printing n natural numbers. Now we are printing n odd numbers. That means only odd numbers are printed. So odd number, we know that it starts from 1 and it goes on incrementing 2, right? The first number is 1, second number is 3. How did you get the second number? You added 2 with 1. So 3. What is the third number? You add 2 with 3. Then you get the third number. We take alternate numbers, right? That is the key operation here. Adding 2. Until you continue this until it reaches n or n minus 1. Why? Why n minus 1? We don't know n is odd or even. If n is odd, it has to go up to n. If n is even, it has to go up to n minus 1. N minus 1 will be the odd one, like that. So, using the for loop, how do you solve this? So, the first step definitely is to get the input n, the limit where you have to stop. For example, I am taking 6 here, which is an even number. Now n is 6. Let's go to the for loop. I is starting from 1 here and it goes up to n plus 1. That means n is included. 6 is also included. Check 6 also. But 6 won't come, don't worry. And the last value of the range function is 2, which means every second value is taken. That's it. After 1, the second value is 3. Then the second value is 5. That means it is equivalent to adding 2 to it. So for loop is giving you an easy solution. So the simplified code is there. It's a specialty of Python. So let's see. 1 is printed and checks it will take the second number from 1, which is 3. Okay. And it didn't reach n plus 1. So I will be printed, which is 3. Now it goes on taking the next second number, which is 5. 5 is printed. Now will it go and take the next number? No, because our n is 6 and it reached, if you increment, if you take the second next number, which is 7, 7 is not in the range. So it will stop there. So 1, 3, 5 will be printed. Now let's see what happens if you print the same thing using while loop. We know that while takes 2 steps more. One is declaration part and we cannot omit the incrementation. So we need n. I is initially 1 and while I less than or equal to n, it has to go up to n less than or equal to n. Okay, that is n or n minus 1. That's it. Now print I. Then what is the next step? I commented it because there was no space in this page. And this I equal to I plus 1 should be in the next line after print. Okay. So I is printed. I equal to I plus 2 matlab it is 3. Then 3 is printed. It goes on until I becomes less than n. If I becomes greater than n, it will stop there.